Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Loney back with another video, and today we're going to talk about my favorite strategy, as you guys know, selling options. And that's because it's all about steady income and there's not much stress, just like the stress that would take to day trade. Before we dive in, quick shout out to my Discord. I have 250 members now. And whether you're new or experienced, I share trade alerts and strategies and live coaching. Links are in the description. There's a free version, paid version. Check it out. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about why selling options works. So unlike day trading, where you're glued to the screen trying to time every move, selling options lets you generate consistent income while keeping your risk in check. For example, I sold cash secured puts on a stock like Riot. I'm going to show you guys this one. This actually gave to my Discord members, my paid ones, and it's doing pretty well. I took this a little bit ago. I think it had a 10% return in a month if this is successful, which is looking like it's heading that direction. But let's say I want to do this trade again. What do you need to do? You need to have at least 100. You'd be able to afford 100 shares of this stock. Yes, it might be a little less because of the premium you collect. So it's more like the break even times 100. So in this case, I needed 900 to open this trade. And I was able to collect a premium of $91. And if you just factor that in, that's about a 10% return. And I get that $91 straight away, and it goes straight into my buying power. So all I have to do is just wait a couple of weeks and I get my cash back. I get my collateral back that I put in. You can close early. I don't usually close early. I kind of just let things go. And it's great for consistency. I'm doing it on this side and covered calls. And I don't even have the stress of having to own the stock. I'm really okay with Riot dropping because I'm getting it for cheaper. Because think of it now, Riot's at $12.29, and if it does drop below 10, yes, I'm forced to buy it for 10. But first of all, I got paid to own it at $10, and all I had to do was just wait. I just had to wait for it to drop. So you could do this strategy on almost any stock, depending on how much capital you have. You could use tech companies, ETFs, some people do, and growth stocks. So it's all about finding what fits your portfolio and your risk tolerance. I personally focus on high IV stocks like Riot and Mara, which are very similar, and the premiums are a lot higher. So I actually just rolled this call, which again, another shout out to the Discord. I gave this call out. And let's just take a look how much money I generated from just this short call here. In a month, I got a net credit of 315. Because I had to roll it, I had to buy to close and open a new one because Mara was trading above that $19 and I didn't want to get assigned. I didn't want to lose the share, so I ended up rolling it. And you could use this strategy on big stocks like Apple or Microsoft for more safer returns. The returns won't be as great, but it is good if you have a less risk tolerance and you have more capital. So I personally can't afford this right now, but you would need that $23,000 and you collect that $200 and it's about a month, I believe, this little less than a month, $200. And you'll be surprised how quickly this adds up. And you could use this money to reinvest it. You could use this $260 to do it on the same strategy. So it's pretty cool how it compounds and ends up adding up. And my portfolio from selling options, I also do some other kind of investing, has come up to $35,000. On the past year, I'm up 53%. So it's pretty crazy that how a safe strategy like this can truly outperform the market. So that's why I love selling options. It's low stress, it's very consistent, and it works in any market condition. Yes, some conditions a little bit better, like covered calls right now aren't really that good because of how bullish things are, but I'm still doing it, not collecting as much premium, but money is money. So Unlike day trading where you're chasing every move, this strategy lets you focus on long-term growth while stacking up steady wins. If you're tired of the day trading grind and want to learn more about selling options, drop a comment below and join my Discord. And for real-time tips and trade ideas, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's keep stacking those wins together.